Cauliflower tomato chili French toast sandwich, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the snacks recipes and one of the most unique of the sandwich recipes and one of the most different of the cauliflower recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the egg recipes and one of the most delicious of the bread egg recipes. Today we are going to make cauliflower tomato chili French toast sandwich. The ingredients are around 100 to 150 grams of cauliflower cut into small pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger. Put in salt to taste into a pan. Put in the cauliflower pieces. Put in the ginger and the garlic. Put in a spoon of fennel powder. Mix. Pour in 100 to 150 ml of water. Mix thoroughly and let it cook in the pressure cooker for 15 minutes. Now mash the cauliflower and the other ingredients thoroughly. Thoroughly mash to make it into a smooth paste. Now add the tomato chili sauce, 1 spoon, and mix thoroughly. Take 6 pieces of bread, 1 piece from it. Apply the mashed cauliflower tomato chili paste onto the bread. And cover it with another piece and press. Do this with the next piece too. Cover it. Keep it aside. Do this with another piece until all the sandwiches are made. Now break in an egg. Mix thoroughly. Mix the yellow and the white thoroughly. Salt to taste and mix. the pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Now dip the sandwich in the egg mixture. And put it into the pan. Move that on. Turn it over. Now turn it over. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. Pour in 5 more ml of oil. Spread. Spread the oil in the pan. Now dip the sandwich in the egg mixture. And put it into the pan. Move it from side to side. take off the pan and onto the plate. Do this with the rest of the sandwiches until all the sandwiches are made. This is the final cauliflower tomato chili French toast sandwich, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the bread egg recipes and one of the most unique of the snacks recipes and one of the most unique of the French toast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the sandwich recipes and one of the most nutritious of the bread recipes and one of the most delicious of the cauliflower recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.